There's a very easy way for you to make your first $1,000 on YouTube without doing any of the work yourself. Now, if you're new to making money online and have yet to earn $1, especially through automating your YouTube channel, then this is a video you can't afford to miss. Welcome to the Peak Performance channel, the place where you come to be inspired to create a more prosperous future. And in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make your first $1,000 with YouTube without making any videos. This means that you'll not have to show your face to the camera. You also won't need a camera to begin with. Yeah, you heard that right. You don't have to be a content creator to do this. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. So stay tuned and I'll show you how it's done. These days it seems like everyone is trying to make a quick buck by creating videos on YouTube. However, the competition is stiff and it can be difficult to stand out from the crowd. Fortunately, there are still ways to make money on YouTube without having to create your own videos. First, I'll show you a couple of examples of people using this YouTube automation strategy. Then I'll explain why it's the easiest one and how you can actually do it step by step. The first example we'll look at is Viral Crush, which is a YouTube channel dedicated to uploading or reposting TikTok videos. They post a few TikTok videos and earn between $500 and $1,000 every single day. Now, this channel started a couple of months ago, not even a year ago. It's been 10 months since it began and they've already received millions of views and earned $500 to $1,000 every single day. The second example I want to show you is of the TikTok Addicts YouTube channel. Now, they're pretty much doing the same thing, re-uploading TikTok videos every single day. They've been doing that for almost 2 years and according to Social Blade, they make $24,000 a month. Their video has had 6.1 million views in the past 30 days and they're using the same monetization strategy that I'm about to share with you. The last example I want to give is a YouTube channel called Viral Class. They do the same thing as many others, re-uploading TikTok videos. So, if you're thinking about getting copyright issues for using TikTok videos, don't worry, because the creators of these YouTube channels have given credit to the original owners. Basically, all you have to do is put their username in the title. And that's why the original owners aren't complaining, because they're getting free exposure and free clout from this, and you can do it multiple times. And now I'm about to share with you how they're making $5,000 a month, which is still decent because if you think about it, the amount of work they're putting into this channel is literally less than 10 minutes a day. It's still pretty amazing and they're not showing their face or recording anything with their phone. So, step one is, they're just going to TikTok and most likely a random video will start playing. Step 2 is they find random videos on TikTok and press the copy link button to copy the video. They then go to Google and search for TikTok download and find a website app like Snaptic or any similar app. They paste the link there, press download and the video will be downloaded to their computer. This will take about 20 seconds. And if you want to upload 5 videos per day, that will take about 5 minutes each day. Now, you may be wondering, how do you actually make money once your channel starts gaining attention? Well, before we jump into that, here's a quick reminder. Make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe and notification button if you haven't already done so, as it means that YouTube sends you more of these kinds of videos and it helps our channel as well. Now, let's get back to the video. Okay, once you start getting views, start sharing something in the community tab. Some people are also getting sponsorships and brand deals, but they're also promoting affiliate links. They have links on their community posts that people can click on. You can sign up for free with an affiliate network such as ClickBank or DJ Store 24. You may then use an affiliate link and use it to promote TikToks. These videos are engaging and have mass appeal, and you should be able to find an offer that will appeal to a large number of people. Another few steps to affiliate marketing are finding a good CPA network like CPAGrip.com. CPA, it stands for cost per action. People only need to submit their email addresses in order to become qualified leads in most cases. And as you can see, people are making a lot of money through this website. Here, someone has made $100,000. Over here, someone's made $30,000. And if you want to find offers that will appeal to a mass audience, go to the Offer Tools and then select My Offers. When the menu pops up, choose the country United States. You can promote things like gift card giveaways to increase traffic. For example, people would see the chance to win $1,500 worth of steak by entering their email addresses. And as you can see in the example below, users simply submit their email addresses to enter for a chance to win $1,000. And for every entry that submits their first name, last name and email address, you earn $1.37. You can get paid $1 for every email you collect, and to do this, just find an offer on CPA Grip. Select one of these offers and grab your affiliate link. We need to go to Bitly, which is a tool to shorten your affiliate link. Then just scroll down and paste the shortened link here. Click on Short, and hey presto, we're done. So I can now just go back to my channel, post it as a community tab and say like, hey, if you want to win $1,000 or enroll in a $1,500 giveaway, simply submit your email address through this link. And because so many of these TikTok viewers are going to be interested due to the fact that it is a mass appeal type of offer, you may wind up getting a lot of sign-ups. For example, if you got 240 sign-ups from a single community post on your channel, that would still technically be $240 a day. And remember, you can do these posts every day. This is quite possibly the easiest and fastest way to go from making $0 consistently to $1,000 a month. With YouTube automation and short videos themselves, there's a lot of potential. And if you like the idea that you're making money off of it, I highly advise that you hire someone to re-upload these TikTok videos for you, so that you don't have to do it yourself. Then, instead, focus on starting another one after another until your revenue grows large enough. And if you manage multiple YouTube channels like this, they could become a long-term source of passive income for you. Well, as you can see, there are a lot of different ways to make money on YouTube without making videos. So if you're looking for a way to generate some extra income, then definitely consider exploring some of these options. Thank you for being all ears throughout the entire video. To create his effort, to copy is genius, Albert Einstein. And if you want to expand your income by building an online income, well, feel free to contact me so we'll get things moving right away. Remember, if you want to change your life, let's make a change together. You need to make a change.